Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect App Store with Apple ID or how to use iCloud account in App Store on iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you want to link your iCloud account, or you want to sign in your Apple ID, or you want to link in your Apple ID with your App Store, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, basically connecting your App Store to your Apple ID is incredibly simple. The App Store automatically links to the main Apple ID account currently signed in on your device. If you are not signed in, you can easily activate it through your device settings or directly in the store. So guys, as you can see, this my Apple ID is linked with my App Store. Once you have to go to settings on your device, and then you will see here the sign in option. You have to simply sign in your Apple ID from here, and it will be automatically connected with your App Store. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply tap on this profile button, and from here you have to go to your Apple account, and here you will see the sign in option as well. So guys, you can see this, I have signed in my Apple account here, and here you can see sign out button as well. So guys, from here you can also sign out your Apple ID from here as well. So guys, from here you can easily sign in your Apple ID, or you can sign out your Apple ID on your device very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.